Hey, come on in. Yeah, so we just accomplished this beautiful bathroom. I think this is the best part in the bathroom, this beautiful vanity. Client, she bought these vinery boxes and we customized the whole vanity around these boxes. We cut them precise and then we customized the vanity around it. It's a very good idea, I like it. And then we customized the top, the countertop, also precise to the vanity. Of course, we upgrade all the vertical lines and we connect the P-trap and the faucet. They choose to use different colors to emphasize the space. It's nice as well. You can see here these pieces of tile, they integrated with the other ones and they actually came from vinery as well. Okay, so this is the shower with the nice shower door. It's a clear glass. We have the shampoo niche over here with the same tile that we use on the walls. And then this nice hidden drain as well. And we actually go with the tile halfway all around the bathroom. You can see on the toilet area as well. Of course, everything was done with the permits and the city codes, with the fan, electrical lines, GFCI outlet.